Can't enroll in Windows 10 ESU, getting something went wrong message? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. In this video, we will show you how to fix the error message something went wrong, we can't enroll you in extended security updates right now. Microsoft has started rolling out ESU or Extended Security Updates availability in Windows 10, allowing eligible Home and Pro users to continue receiving security updates after support ends. Now let's get started on how to fix the issue. Method 1. Install the out-of-band Microsoft patch KB 5071959. Microsoft officially acknowledged that a bug in the ESU enrollment wizard was preventing eligible Windows 10 devices from joining the program. To fix this, they released an out-of-band update on November 11, 2025. This update repairs the enrollment component that was causing the something went wrong error. Many users confirmed that ESU enrollment started working after installing it. Before installing KB 5071959, make sure your PC has the latest Servicing Stack update, the SSU updates, the component that installs Windows updates. If the latest SSU is missing, KB 5071959 may not appear in Windows Update or may fail to install. Press Win+I to open the Settings app. Go to Windows Update, click Check for Updates. If KB 5071959 appears, download and install it. Restart your PC and try the Enroll Now option again. Method 2. Enable Find My Device in Settings. Some users found that ESU enrollment started working immediately after they turned on Find My Device. This feature registers your device with your Microsoft account, and enabling it forces Windows to refresh that cloud link. If the device isn't fully registered with your MSA, the ESU wizard may fail with errors like something went wrong. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Click Find My Device. Turn the toggle on. Restart your PC and try the ESU enrollment again. Method 3. Sign in with a Microsoft account. Go to Settings, then select Accounts. Click your info, select Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Enter your Microsoft account email and password. Restart your PC and try the Enroll Now option again. Method 4. Make sure required Microsoft services are running. ESU enrollment may fail if certain account-related services are disabled. Two services in particular must be enabled for your device to verify your Microsoft account correctly. These are Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant and Credential Manager. Press Win+R, type services.msc and press Enter. Find each service in the list. Right-click, select Properties, set Startup Type to Automatic, Delayed Start. Click Start if the service is stopped. Restart your PC and try enrolling again. Method 5. Remove any work or school accounts. This fix worked for users whose devices were previously connected to a workplace, school, or even an educational email account. ESU is meant for home users, so if your PC is linked to a work or school account, Windows may treat it as a managed or enterprise device. When this happens, the consumer ESU option is blocked and the enrollment wizard may fail. Removing these accounts ensures Windows recognizes your device as a personal or home PC. Go to Settings, then select Accounts. Scroll down and select Access Work or School. If you see any organizational account listed, click it. Click Disconnect and confirm. Restart your PC and try the ESU enrollment again. Method 6. Create a new user account and link your MSA. If none of the fixes shown work, the issue may be caused by a corrupted user profile or incorrect account settings on the current Windows account. Creating a new local user account and then signing in with your Microsoft account can reset these settings, enabling ESU enrollment to work correctly. While you can create a new Microsoft account user directly, creating a local user first and then linking your MSA prevents carrying over any hidden profile data, cached tokens, or account settings from your old profile. Open Settings, then select Other Users. Click on Add Account option. Choose I don't have this person's sign-in information. Select Add a user without a Microsoft account and create a new local user. Sign in to this new account. Go to Settings, then select Accounts, then Your Info and sign in with your Microsoft account. Try the Enroll Now option again. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.